Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to explore the SUMIF, average if and COUNTIF functions in Microsoft Excel. This is absolute beginner guide for all those people who want to learn the Microsoft Excel. Current demonstration, we have a list of students, then we have a courses, and then we have a marks, and then we have a status for pass and fail. Suppose I want to see that how many students are enrolled in English, Urdu or math subject. So for this I am going to use the COUNTIF function. For example, for this we put if count if and bracket start, then we will give the range. Either we have to select this range this way, or we can select the column, whole column, it's up to you. Then we put a semicolon and then we select this English. It means that how many students have this subject. So when I close the bracket, put and enter, it gives me a 6 students have enrolled in English. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? Similarly we can do for Urdu. If we put equal COUNTIF and bracket, then I select the range, I give the range, then I put comma and then I select the B3. When I enter, it gives me the 3 students are enrolled in Urdu. Similarly, I can do COUNTIF, then I give the range and then I add the comma and then I select the math and I close the bracket. So it gives me the 2 students are enrolled in maths. I'm going to check that number of students who are in English, that what are the total marks they have. For example, for this I am going to put, I'm going into a specific cell, I put enter if, then I select the sum if, then this, then I select the criteria equal to English, then I give the range, some range for this column, then I go to close it and enter. It gives me 297. How? Then 297 exactly. It means it's calculating the perfectly fine. And again I'm again putting equal to sum if bracket start, I give the criteria comma, then I give the Urdu, then I give the range of marks column, and when I close it, it gives me the 172. Many are pass. So for this I am using equal to sum count if bracket start, I give this column and then I select the fail, right? And when I close the bracket, it gives me the 2 students are failed across the whole column or whole rows. Similarly, I can put equal count if bracket started, then I select the column comma, then I put the pass as a criteria. When I close it, I found that 9 students are passed in all those subjects. So thank you for watching. In this video I share you SUMIF and COUNTIF function in Microsoft Excel. See you in another video.